Most, although not all people, see science as a noble and an honourable pursuit. Academic scientists are professional knowledge producers and are, without doubt, privileged in a way that they are in a position to observe firsthand and to record the wonders of our world, to make discoveries and to find ways to make use of those discoveries. Science in this context is as much a cultural activity as art and poetry and music or theatre. If we were to ask for a definition of science, we might use the one produced by the UK Science Council in 2009, who state that science is the pursuit and application of knowledge and understanding of the natural and social world following a systematic methodology based on evidence. The key aspects, or rather two key aspects of this definition, are the pursuit and application of knowledge, and secondly, following a systematic methodology, both of which are carried out in order to gain greater understanding, elucidation and proof or evidence. For this reason, I prefer to use the generic term of science when talking about innovation rather than the current preference for the use of the term STEM, S-T-E-M, the acronym Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics, since there is a commonality of the pursuit and application of knowledge and systematic methodology between science, technology, engineering and mathematics. On this basis, each scientific discipline can be reduced to and described by a number of common key elements. And understanding these different elements is important for a couple of reasons. Firstly, these different elements underpin the matter and process of scientific research used by scientists and represent the foundations of scientific learning. Secondly, the commonality of the elements is what helps generalist scientific experts relate to different disciplines and provides the foundation for interdisciplinary research. It's my belief that science is actually better taught as a process in this way, where we look at these key elements that provide a greater meaning for those individuals who may use scientific research as a tool to invent and to innovate, as opposed to those scientists for whom research is a way of life. Scientific researchers are often wedded to their calling, to their means of knowledge production, their paradigms, their methods and applications and approaches. They're wedded to their scientific discipline. However, for a scientific innovator, an entrepreneur, science is about the knowledge and methodology of research and its application. It's all no more than an excellent tool to be used to help invent and to innovate. Such a statement in no way seeks to undermine or devalue science or research as a process, but to demonstrate how, from the perspective of the use of knowledge, the innovator, the means by which it is achieved is important, but not as important as what potentially can be done with it. Scientific research is a means of generating knowledge. Scientific innovation is about the utilization of knowledge at the point at which knowledge is turned into an invention and the subsequent transformation of this into an innovation that makes or meets an economic, social, or environmental need. We need both. We need vocational scientists and those scientists who view research merely as a tool for innovation.